हेलो फ्रेंड्स, मैं जगजीत सिंह और मेरे साथ आज एक खास मेहमान बैठे हैं जो कि यमन से हैं और ये हमारे पास ट्रेनिंग कंप्लीट करके जा रहे हैं। तो आज ये इनका रिव्यू ले रहे हैं हम लोग, कैसे इनका एक्सपीरियंस रहा, कैसे ये किस तरह का काम वहाँ पे कर रहे हैं, पास्ट एक्सपीरियंस क्या है और अपने बारे में बताएंगे आगे फ्यूचर में इन्होंने करना क्या है। तो बहुत ही ये इंटरेस्टिंग वीडियो है। अभी हम लोग इनसे बात करेंगे, पहले जानेंगे इनका नाम। व्हाट्स योर नेम?
My name is Sagr Majid Ali Al-Udai.
Okay, from
I'm from Yemen.
Yemen. Tell us something about yourself and background.
My name is Sagr Majid Ali Al-Udai. I'm from Yemen. I work as a mechanic with my father for 2 years
Okay.
in our workshop. So we have experience for mechanic actually, and we don't know about programming and electric. So I came to this institute to learn about electric and programming course.
Okay. Why do you want electrical skills?
I want to learn electrical skills to improve my skills and my knowledge about the electric and for the vehicle, how I can tracing the wiring, how actually because I work only with mechanic, so if there is any problem with the wiring, I will not be able to find the solution. So I want to learn this to complete everything, mechanic and electric.
Okay. In your workshop, how to work related with electrical wiring?
No, we send it to another person who knows about wiring and electric.
Okay.
If I don't know about wiring, so I have to send it to another person to do this work for wiring.
What are your future plan after completing this training?
My future plan after complete this training, I actually planning to start my own business in electric and programming. Separate with my father.
Okay.
For example, I let my father to work with mechanic, and if there is any problem with wiring or programming, I will do it by myself.
Okay. How well are the trainers explaining auto electrical concept?
Actually, the trainers was very helpful, and all the teacher here in the institute, they are helpful. When I ask them, they answer me. They try to help me by everything. They bring the method and they bring for example, the wiring, and they explain to me step by step.
Okay. Any problem related with wiring checking?
No.
Theory or practical?
No, actually, I done all this by helping the teacher and another student.
Are the practical session helping you gain confidence in real world repair work?
Of course, I have learned many things during the class. So I'm sure I will do it if I have faced any problem with the car or wiring or trucks. I will do it by myself.
Do you feel ready to work and auto electrical after this course?
Of course, I'm ready to do everything related with wiring and electric something, and also with programming.
Okay, no problem.
I'm sure I will do it.
Okay.
I don't have any hesitation or I don't have any doubt about this.
Your notebook is complete?
Yeah, of course. I have complete my notebook.
All questions clear in your mind?
Of course, all question is clear, and sometimes I have question and I came to you, you explain and you make it simple for me.
Okay. दूसरी कंट्री से आने के बाद किसी तरह की इनको ट्रेनिंग के अंदर प्रॉब्लम नहीं आई है, जो कि हम लोगों ने ये बात इसलिए की है क्योंकि ये वीडियो जहाँ तक जाएगी कोई भी यहाँ पे आकर ये ट्रेनिंग ले सकता है। Thanks.
Okay, actually, and I want to thank all the teacher, and also I want to thank Jagjit sir for helping me to do all this electric training, and also I want to thank all the students here in High Tech Institute. Thank you.
Okay.